Hello world. I don't want you to worry that I have been blocked up for several days. I have been, but not in terms of my intestines. I think it's been emotionally, as well as creatively. I haven't made a video in a few days, and I haven't made in every day since I left, but it's been fairly consistent, and every time a rather small portion that's slightly hard to get out. Not too dark, not too light, pretty firm. Although today, I think it was another culmination because it was a lot lighter and there was about 2 cups of material. Rather soft, but not falling apart. It seemed like there were tiny little holes in it, but I didn't keep an eye on it for that long. There was some conglomeration, but mostly just smooth. Excuse my absence. This is the most consistent I've ever been on with anything, and I think it's because of the nature of what the journal is. But even the most simple objectives come with bumps in the road. I love the world, and I love myself.